So in today's video we are not going to put any gameplay, but we are going to talk about a word name as what is it called, happiness. When you laugh of a day, you remove all your stress. You forget what you do in the, think now you are very sad and a person came and make you laugh. That time you forget why you were angry. So every day minimum, if you laugh more than 10 times, it gives your mind happiness and relaxation. And if you are more stressed, if you are more stressed, you can watch any of my videos that will come on the future. And guys, happiness, if you talk about, now I'll say, if a person says a joke, you laugh, okay? So after you laugh, you feel like always being happy, thinking positive. And with the topic of happiness, we should have a thing in our mind that is called positiveness. And in the we should not be over minded and always be thinking about, can we do this, can we do that, I think I can't do it. We should have a positive thinking in our mind. And if you don't have both happiness and positivity, so this will not keep your mind relaxed. So I give you the suggestion of being happy all the time. So I'll continue till a minute, because I'll put another gameplay. So in your life, always we should be happy. Shouldn't be stressed always. And stress makes you mind disturbed. Keep your mind relaxed and talk to your friends. Don't feel lonely. You should have someone to talk daily. Now I'll give you an example. Live without talking a day, so you will understand a friend is the best person for you and a life. Without friends, you can't live in this world. To be happy, you should always think positivity. If you think, let's take an example of exam. So when you go to exam, you will have a fear that, will I pass? Be positive, and we should keep your mind relaxed to get good marks in the exam. You should be positive all the time and be happy. So that's the topic of happiness. And when we go to the topic positivity, so when I say positivity, the first thing in the mind will come, be ready for everything. Don't think overthinking. So I'll put another gameplay because it will be boring to see my brawler only. So guys, we were in the topic positivity. So when you talk about positivity, first thing that comes in our mind is being cool. We should always think positive. Think another thing that in this thing we are talking about is being happy. Do not take anything so seriously that you go into stress. So guys, that's it for today, and enjoy the gameplay. In this gameplay we had the top 2, and it was a pretty good match. So guys, here it's going on. Now the special ability will go, guys. So bye guys, that is all for today, and meet you in the next video. Bye.